Hello, hello. Vlogmas is officially over. Christmas has passed and now it's time for the new year. If you guys are new here, my name is Caroline Manning and you should totally subscribe and join the Man Fam. So crazy being back home after studying abroad on the ocean for 4 months. I'm already planning on doing a full in-depth Q&A of questions in general that y'all had about semester at sea, being on the voyage, and then kind of also post-life, because it is crazy the reverse culture shock that happens once you get off of that ship. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning, December 27th, and I'm feeling like getting some fresh air this morning, taking matcha on a walk. Yeah, just maybe listening to a podcast. Who knows? If I'm feeling crazy, maybe we'll go no headphones. But I just made myself some green tea in this little cup that I brought back from Barcelona. This was the name of the coffee shop that I got it from, and it's so cute, and it has like a cork outside, which I've never had before. Before we head out, I'm gonna put on some sunscreen. I'm also gonna link everything that I'm using in today's video down below. The moisturizer, for example, it's from Summer Fridays, and it feels like an actual cloud that just like sucks up all the dryness on your face. And this sunscreen is from the brand Innisfree, which is a Korean beauty brand, and I'm so glad that Asian beauty and makeup is getting the recognition that it deserves. I think my parents just got home because the dogs are going crazy. We are all ready to go. I forgot, but I wanted to tell you guys, I have found my new favorite perfume combo. I went to Sephora the other day with Fia and I picked 2 things up. We don't gatekeep over here, so I'm gonna show you the combo. First off, this is my favorite body spray. I brought this to semester at sea and used it every single day. Greece and in Malaysia, I got refills of this. That's how much I love it. So you're gonna put this all over your body first, and then this one is the Very Good Girl Caroline Herrera perfume. The full-size bottle was pretty pricey, but a little goes a long way, which is why I love this little travel size one. For this one, I put it right on my neck and then just a little bit on my wrist. But for the body, go for this one and thank me later.
Hello.
It's kind of chilly here in Texas, I'm not gonna lie, so I think we're gonna put on a little sweater for Matcha. And it actually was Leo and Lacey's from a super long time ago, but they're too big now. We're gonna try it on Matcha. There you go. Oh, look at you, you're so cute. We ended up going with the smaller one because the blue one was too big for him. Look at how cute. Come on. Are you really home if you don't invade your mom's closet and take clothes? I'm feeling like a vest today, and what better item than this North Face vest? It's not Boise, Idaho cold enough. That I'm still trying to mentally prepare myself for, but it's still pretty cold. He actually hates me right now. I'm so sorry. You're gonna be nice and warm. All right, let's roll, baby. It is freezing right now. It's been so nice running into old neighbors and just seeing everybody home from college. The holidays are really the best time. Alright, time to get Costco membership. Part of our Christmas gift is getting Costco memberships, courtesy of T. Here you go. You wanna look right here? Perfect. You want a couple seconds? I'll be right back. Costco membership has been secured. Oh my God. Hi, baby. She's like a rabbit. Yeah. She's so tiny. Her legs.
Home.
Hello.
Off the boat.
Brush off the boat. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna put your shoes outside because she's gonna chew on your shoes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she's like chewing everything.
I'm gonna finish cooking, okay? Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Wow.
Wait, what kind of cake is it? Is it raspberry?
Is this pecan?
White chocolate
Larry,
raspberry.
do you have that one?
Caroline, is that too much?
Or is that
No, you want a small one?
All the smaller one.
Thank you.
That's a double. This is the single, this is a double.
Yeah, this is perfect. Thank you.
Just be thankful to be home.
Thankful.
To be home again.
Be thankful.
He's ESL.
Thankful.
Missed
I was
you.
drinking.
Missed you, Uncle Hung.
Yeah, I know.
How old were you when you came to the U.S.?
11.
11? Makes sense.
This is 25 years old. Serious, I keep all my clothing.
Like for real?
For real.
Wait, can you guys come visit me in Boise?
I'm thinking about it. If I get my truck, then I'll drive up there.
Did Ella get a Christmas gift?
Lots of toys.
I love sugar peanuts. It's like a gummy bear brand. The champagne ones are my favorite. They're my favorite too.
Gummy bear?
They're good. They're
What is it? Oh wow. Fancy.
Thank you so much.
Alright, one a day only, okay?
Okay. Oh my gosh. In April.
I always told your mom and dad that you girls are like my daughters.
Oh.
Yeah, seriously. You're gonna make me cry.
Wait, this is actually perfect because I don't have any exfoliator.
And it makes the whole shower smell really nice.
Oh, the best. And we see you like a mom too. So
Okay, good.
thanks, Mom. I know you picked these out.
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
He was there.
How old are you two now?
19.
You're not 19.
How old do you think I am?
Is she 19? She's not even 21 yet?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Not yet.
Kat, or you're 21, right?
22.
22. She's only 19.
Okay, so my AirPods were showing.
Good morning. This morning we are shopping in our little town. How cute is this felt ornament? I had my first Christmas last year at my house in Boise, but this year obviously I didn't get to. And because Christmas is now over, everything is 50% off, so I think I'm gonna snag this. It's so cute. Do we like the house or the clock tower?
I think I like the house, honestly.
Oh my gosh, and it lights
A
up.
chateau and like Switzerland in there. You need that.
I need that. We're getting this little house too. Alright, I'm already getting ideas for when I go back to Boise. My office does not have a bed, and I really, really love this day bed. At this point, the glasses aren't doing anything.
Double action going on here.
Just went to this little British bakery called the Great British Baking Company. They have the best pastries. So we popped in, grabbed 2 little things. Got the cutest little ornaments and pieces. It's a bittersweet feeling that Christmas is over, but it's a good thing because we're saving money by shopping all the sales. So this morning we were actually supposed to do a candle making class at the Shabby Wick.
No, we're gonna do it on the 30th.
Now we're gonna reschedule it and do it on the 30th. Something happened with the store owner, so we're not doing it today. Instead, we're gonna go to the Domain and go shopping there. The Domain is a pretty far drive from where we live. They have all of the best stores there, like Aritzia, Aloe. There's this little necklace from the website Gorjana, I think, and it's like this little C, and I want to stack it with my new Mikamoto pearls. So let's have a great day. Where are we at?
Beautifully. I hope I'm pronouncing it. Love these. Thanks, Lexi. You're the bomb.
Apple pie.
Round part of it. Round part, edge.
Pie crust.
Dad and I will not eat.
Dessert.
Type of sweet.
Cookies. Cake.
Broad.
Ice cream.
Nerds.
Candy.
Okay, 3
Candy
words.
cane.
First word
What's
is
the time, right?
Oh.
What's the time?
white,
Chocolate candy. White chocolate
fluff, fair.
Like to eat sour green.
Ah, silver.
You do this at night with a
Brush.
first word is
Brush hair, brush teeth, hairbrush.
You
Toothbrush.
make art with
Paintbrush.
yes.
Apple for April.
This
apple.
event. That is too hard, Caroline.
What?
That is too hard. Cars. That is too hard.
She hit you on the side.
My parents got my sister and I these little crochet kits for Christmas. And mine is Sam the Sleepy Strawberry. Catherine's is a mushroom. So we're gonna do it right now. We'll show you guys the finished product. How cute is this? It comes with wool felt, cotton stuffing, the sewing needle thread. I don't even know where my parents got this. I'm so excited to make it. Oh, we are. Oh my gosh. Look, this is what's in the kit. Good morning.
Morning.
So we're gonna do family breakfast first at Time and Dough, which is one of my favorite little breakfast places here in our hometown. I go there all the time and get their pigs in a blanket every single time I come home from college. And it's early, it's 7:52 in the morning. I didn't go to bed until like 2 a.m. So girl is tired, but we're gonna rally, do it for Kat. My dad is gonna drop her off at the airport. My mom and I are gonna go to that candle making class that was canceled the other day. So the theme and layout of this place is like a little fairy garden. Almost reminds me of Mill Valley where my grandma lives because it's just very cottagey. I'm obsessed with the whole place. It's so cute. We're twinning this morning. Oh my gosh, wait, we actually are. Hokas and everything. Oh, Catherine and I used to come here all the time when she would drive me to school during high school. She was a senior and I was a freshman.
One photo out here that made it on Instagram.
No, we took one photo right here.
We're gonna go check out this new coffee shop in Driftwood and
Sonder Coffee Lounge. It just opened in Driftwood, Texas.
It looks super cute on Instagram, so we're gonna check it out.
Yeah, yesterday my mom was like, Caroline, come here, look at this new coffee shop. And it's in the style of an actual home, so it's gonna feel really cozy. Also, I did not get coffee here for that reason, although I did have coffee at home this morning.
Come with us.
Come with us.
So stinking cute. Y'all need to go if you're ever in Driftwood or in Dripping Springs.
The couple that owns Sonder is so sweet. They just moved here and they get their beans sourced from Washington. Their whole concept is just so cute. They've got like these little book pages on the top of the ceiling, and I definitely want to come back here before I head back to Boise for college. But I just got an iced lavender oat milk matcha, which if you ever go to any coffee shop and you don't know what to get that.
This is, and I'm Nikki.
We are choosing our fragrance list right now, so we're going through and smelling a bunch of different scents.
My limit.
There are so many different scents. Which two did you mix?
White tea and lavender.
Like that?
I do like that. It smells like a spa.
And so the first thing you need to do is take your
Okay.
and then you're going to take your wick, and it is important to get your wick and then smell it and see if you... Okay, now you can have a little smell of it and see if you're happy.
That's perfect. The owner of the Shabby Wick is an angel. Either do a birthday party here or just like a little date night would be cute.
Or girls.
Or a girls' day. But anyway, she told us stirring is the most important part.
I was, for sure you should take the, and that's totally okay that you have some left. I always do that.
watch each sunset when no one knows. Overwhelmed by the unknown. Was the world made for my soul? Teenage therapy. Just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication.